Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question that 95 minus in the parenthesis 15 divide 5 and multiply 3. Okay, so before I solve this question, I want to see your answer. So please stop this video right now and comment your answer step by step. I am personally scoring every comment out of 10. Okay, so now let's see who get a perfect score 10 out of 10. Okay, so please stop this video and then write your solution, then play this video to see the correct answer. Okay, so now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so in this question we have one parenthesis, one subtraction and one multiplication. Okay, so according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve parenthesis. So first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay, so is equal to 95 minus, now solve this parenthesis, 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3, multiply 3. Now here one subtraction and one multiplication. So according to PEMDAS rule, first priority is multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction. So is equal to 95 minus, now 3 multiply 3 is equal to 9. So is equal to 95 minus 9 is equal to 86. So the correct answer is 86. Okay. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. And also do not forget to comment your answer. Okay, I will give you a score from out of 10. Thanks for watching this video.